So, you're thinking of doing a bathroom renovation. Here at the Shower Doctor, we'd love to assist you with that project. There's a lot of choices you're going to need to make, so that the final room and the money you invested goes a long way towards yourself, your family, and maybe somebody else who buys your house in the future. If the room is built right, put together well, it's something that you'll enjoy, get a lot of good use out of, and it will stand the test of time. To help you on that journey to make these decisions and bring the whole package together, we start off by taking the time to come into your home and understand what it is that you need. What are your pain points? What do you really want to try and get out of the new room? And importantly, what's your taste and your feel and the finished design, and how is that going to fit in with yourself, your family, and the home? Once we've understood that, we can package you a price. Our prices are fixed as much as we can possibly have them, and before any work started, we 100% lock that price in. There's nothing worse than doing a project and find out it doubles in price halfway through the build. So that we can get you a locked-in fixed price, we have a project management meeting. That's where one of the builders of the company comes around and runs through the process with all the finer details. Where do you want your feature tiles? Are you having any feature tiles? The types of fittings and fixtures that will work well with your layout and the colour that they come in. The final design, the footprint of the bathroom, and all the bits and pieces that go together to finish it are ironed out and listed very clearly for everybody. And that's put together on a project management software system that your individual PM is in charge of. You have one point of contact, one person to deal with. They're with you from the start of the journey right the way through to the end to make sure that the bathroom we build is the one that you actually wanted. On that journey, we're going to take you through choices around tiles, where you can get them from, what's going to work well in your bathroom, and making good decisions around longevity and the type of finish that they've got. That then leads directly into the fittings and the fixtures. We deal specifically with Coroma, well-known brand, good quality product, and a true warranty that they back themselves. If somebody would like to move outside of the people that we recommend, we also have assistant companies that we can direct you to help you make choices on other ranges if that was needed. That all comes together with our tradespeople. At the Shower Doctor, the majority of those tradespeople are employees. We try to send as few subcontractors into your home as possible, and we try to handle as much as we can in-house with our workers, so you know who's coming, when they're coming, and what they're going to be doing throughout the entire project. To bring that together nicely, as I was saying, we have a project management software system that includes 3D plans. So you can see the bathroom before we build it, and the workers throughout the job have access to those same plans. That's how we make sure you actually do get the room that you're paying for. We bring that together with good quality products. We spoke about Coroma. Another great brand that we use is ADP. They do all of our cabinetry. Vanities, mirrored shavers, anything all that's accessory to go into your room. And like Coroma, they have a range of choices. Colors, finishes, design, layout, the list goes on. Again, we help you with that throughout the process. The product that we use, or the company that we use to bring all that together, is MAP-A. That's from the waterproofing, the engineered bedding that goes into your bathroom, the tile glues, grouts, and silicons, which produces the final fit and finish, and the longevity of that. Once that whole room has come together, you'll walk in and you will see the difference from day one. And because of the quality of the products that we use, you're going to continue to see that difference 7, 10, 15 years later. If you'd love to get involved in a bathroom with the Shower Doctor, we'd love to meet you, run through the process, and help you make some great decisions around a new bathroom in your home. Cheers.